He said that I think after Black Panther he's gonna retire.
What?
Good for you. Good for you.
What happened?
You watch them on film, you're like, okay, this is, yeah.
They're playing well for them.
They're playing well together.
Willie?
Sounds fun, and also.